You see this? Looks bad, right? But in just a few steps, we're about to turn this into an insane 4K Topaz-like quality video, straight from your smartphone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to upgrade your video quality using just your mobile, no PC, no Topaz AI, just pure editing magic. Stick around till the end, because I'll be revealing the best settings to make your videos look cinematic and ultra sharp. Let's get started. Open vMake app and follow me. Choose AI Repair. If 4K not supported in your device, no problem. You can choose 2K resolution. Save it. Now open a light motion and follow me. Now paste this XML. Here you are done. You can get this XML on my Telegram channel, link in description. If you do 100 comments that you want CC tutorial, then I will bring this CC tutorial. I have not shown a CC tutorial in this video because video duration will become long.